Does your tax return need to be corrected? In some cases, taxpayers forget to include a W-2 or use an available tax credit. When this happens, it's better to amend the return as soon as possible than to wait for the Oklahoma Tax Commission to find the error. In other cases, taxpayers are unaware of errors in their return. Because the Oklahoma Tax Commission cannot process returns with errors, you'll need to file an amended return to correct any inaccuracies. After a return is found to contain errors, a letter will be sent to the address used on your last filed return. The letter will request any additional documents required and include instructions for submitting additional documents via OK Tap. Based on the exact error identified in a tax return, you may need to submit an amended return using Oklahoma Form 511 or 511NR depending on your Oklahoma residency status. In addition, the amended Oklahoma income tax return may require you to submit an IRS 1040X and a new 1040 to the Oklahoma Tax Commission. However, for returns on or after tax year 2020, you can amend both your federal and state return at the same time online with most third-party vendors. When amending a 2019 or older return, filing by mail is the only option. In this circumstance, it's best to submit the IRS 1040X and the new 1040 along with any needed documents supporting the change to the Oklahoma Tax Commission along with the Oklahoma amended return. A 1040X is not required if amending the Oklahoma return only. For certain changes, the OTC may require proof of IRS acceptance. Examples of changes requiring proof of IRS acceptance are a change in adjusted gross income, filing status, itemized deduction, switching from standard to itemized deduction, or exemptions. Examples of proof of IRS acceptance are a copy of the IRS refund check, a bank statement showing a direct deposit from the IRS or U.S. Treasury, an IRS account transcript showing acceptance of the amended return, or an IRS statement of acceptance or adjustment. To claim a refund from an amended return as an error, the amended return must be filed within 3 years from the date that tax was paid, or 2 years from the date the tax was paid, whichever is later. If an original return has not been filed, a claim can be made 2 years from the date the tax was paid. Exceptions to this are due to IRS adjustments. If the return is adjusted by the IRS after the 3-year window, you have 1 year from the date of the IRS adjustment to file an amended Oklahoma return. Another exception to the 3-year limitation is amending a prior year to claim a net operating loss, or NOL, as a result of the CARES Act. For additional information, visit our website at tax.ok.gov or call our Taxpayer Resource Center at 405-521-3160.